In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Jira Kanban board. We're going to walk through the setup process from the beginning and then take a quick look at how to start using the board once it's created. This is a simple workflow, and Kanban is especially useful if you want a visual way to manage tasks as they move from one stage to another. To begin, go to Spaces and click the plus icon. This is where you can start creating something new inside Jira. Once the menu opens, click on Kanban. This tells Jira that you want to create a Kanban-style workspace rather than another type of project or board. Next, click Use Template. Using a template helps you get started faster because Jira will prepare the basic board structure for you. After that, enter a name for your board or space. Choose something clear and recognizable so it's easy to identify later, especially if you plan to manage multiple projects. You'll then reach the section asking how your space is managed. Here, click Team Managed. This option is helpful if you want a setup that is easier for a team to control directly without needing more advanced centralized configuration. Once that's selected, click Next. On the following screen, click Next again. Jira may guide you through a few setup prompts, and in this case, you can continue forward without making extra changes. After that, click I'll do this later. This is useful if Jira offers optional setup items that you don't want to configure right now. You can always return and update those details later once your board is up and running. Then click Done to finish the setup. At this point, your Kanban board should be created and ready to use. Now that the board is available, you can begin typing your tasks into the different columns, such as Idea, To Do, or In Progress. These columns help organize work by status, so your team can quickly see what's planned, what's being worked on, and what still needs attention. When adding tasks, try to keep the titles short and clear so they're easy to scan on the board. You can also drag a task to Done when the work is complete. This is one of the main advantages of a Kanban board. Updating progress is fast and visual. Instead of searching through lists, you can simply move a task across the board as its status changes. And that's how to set up a Jira Kanban board and start using it right away. Once your board is in place, you'll have a cleaner and more organized way to track work from start to finish.